Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blox Fruits dating simulator on mobile. First, open the Roblox application on your smartphone or tablet. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to find Blox Fruits dating simulator. Select the game from the search results and tap the play button. Make sure your device has a strong internet connection for the best experience. This fan-made game offers a unique twist on the popular Blox Fruits universe, allowing you to interact with characters in a new way. Once you've loaded into the game, you'll use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your character around the map. To interact with other characters, simply walk up to them and tap the interaction button that appears. Your choices in dialogue are very important, as they directly affect your relationships and the story's outcome. Remember to observe character personalities and preferences to make the best decisions for a successful dating experience. To advance your relationships, you'll need to engage in various activities. Completing quests and participating in minigames will earn you valuable in-game currency. Use this currency to buy thoughtful gifts for the characters you wish to date. Attending special in-game events can also significantly boost your relationship levels. Always keep an eye on the relationship meters, which typically show a numerical value or a progress bar, to see how well you are doing with each character. For the best experience, take your time to explore every corner of the game world. You might find unique interactions or items. Don't be afraid to experiment with different dialogue choices on multiple playthroughs to uncover all possible story paths. It's a good practice to save your game often, especially after significant progress, to prevent any loss of your hard work. Finally, consider joining the game's online community for extra tips and to connect with other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.